Hello everyone, in front of me is OPPO A2x and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. First of all, enter the settings, then find and select accounts, users and accounts, and here click on add account. Select Google then, and enter your email address or phone number, whatever you use to log in with your account. In my case, it is email address. And now enter the password. Let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Click on I agree if you do agree with all the Google terms of service and privacy policy. Click on accept, and that's it. As you can see, your account is added. Whenever you want to remove it, just mark here, tap on more icon and select remove account. Then confirm it by tapping on remove account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.